The time is ticking right now as the price of Bitcoin is seeing a dump. Recently it saw a pump as well towards the upside, but it is, as I said, it's a fake pump only because of some big companies and including Tether and MicroStrategy. It is not a real pump. I will tell you why, but I expect a dump again as always. And Ethereum is also pumping. I will discuss my Ethereum analysis as well. So let's get straight to the point. I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart right now, and we saw a little bit of a dump towards the downside, as you can clearly see on 25th and 26th of November. But recently the price of Bitcoin started to pump again. First of all, let me show you this, the volume of these two red candles right here. The volume is above the daily average volume. This white line represents daily average volume, and these two candles had bearish volume above the average daily volume. However, yesterday's candle, that is 27th of November's of candle, we saw a huge pump towards the upside from $91,000 to $96,000. But as you can clearly see, the volume was literally approx half of these two candles. So this means there is not much volume in the price of Bitcoin. Still it is pumping, and obviously it is a clear sign of manipulation only. And yeah, I mean, which company first announces that they will buy Bitcoin and then they buy Bitcoin? Because if you are a multi-billion-dollar company, you will first buy Bitcoin and then you will announce that we bought Bitcoin, so that no one can front run you. But there are some weird companies in the world, very famous, that are running some Ponzi scheme, and they first tell the people and then buy after. Anyways, currently the price of Bitcoin, as I said, is nowhere, and it is in between of nowhere, and there are not much any levels right now. I won't take any short or long here, because obviously, first of all, the price is already getting manipulated a lot, and second, there is not much level that I can be confident on. But on the other side, Ethereum, I made a video yesterday. I said that the price of Ethereum will fall towards the downside, but the price did not dump towards the downside. In fact, it pumped towards the upside. Well, it's okay, because I told you guys, I did my analysis that it will dump because of normal price action. You already can see it is very overbought. We have not seen any correction or a dump towards the downside. All we have seen is just some consolidation, again a pump, and then consolidation. And according to a real price, the Ethereum's price has to dump. But obviously, if Bitcoin is getting manipulated, then Ethereum will also do the same. And as you all know, the volume also is very less. Yesterday's candle, it went from $3,300 to $3,600 approx. Volume is very less as compared to the other green candles, like this one, like here. So yeah, clear sign of just manipulation. Also, in my last short video, I told you all that there are chances we can see one last stretch in the price of Ethereum to complete this level, and I think this is happening right now. Ethereum can see one last pump towards the upside and touch the $3,800 level. It is a very important whole resistance zone, this purple zone, as you can clearly see, from $3,800 to $4,000 level. Very important level, because price of Ethereum did a breakout here, then obviously it will go and touch this level only. But we have not seen any correction, so I am very concerned for the price of Ethereum right now. Currently, I am not taking any trade. I am not going short here. Obviously, it is very risky, especially when the price of Bitcoin is getting manipulated. So for me right now, I'm not taking any trades in crypto. Maybe in altcoins we can take a trade. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. Not much in the price of crypto right now. It is already getting manipulated, Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin is getting manipulated, same is with Ethereum and every other altcoin as well. I'm not taking any trade personally on Bitcoin or Ethereum, because obviously Bitcoin, there is not any levels right now to take any trade. On Ethereum, maybe if it shows me any good price action, we can find some trades on altcoins for sure. And do follow me on my Twitter for latest updates, for my all trade updates and everything. And I will definitely make a video soon regarding my trade updates, and maybe I will add some commodity trades as well. So yeah, if you want to trade crypto, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments, or else you can create an account on any exchange you want, and for free also. Links are in the description and in the pinned comments, or else you can just go to any search browser and create an account for free on any exchange you want. No pressure promotion, but do not fall for any scams. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.